Hey everybody, it's Stuart here and welcome to today's video where we are going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. The first step that you need to do in order to achieve that is do a quick search and find the Facebook page you are wanting to delete. Once you have done that, click through into the page and make sure that you go to the left-hand menu bar and switch into page mode. Once we see the blue switch button, we want to click on that. And this is going to swap us into the actual page itself. Now, from here, we want to navigate over to the left-hand menu bar until we see the settings button. And we want to click on it. Now that we're in the settings section, we want to do a search up in the top menu bar and click on Access and Control and search for that. And once we can see it appear, we want to click on it. This is now going to give us the chance to delete the Facebook page. I want to delete the page and I want to make sure that the black dot is appearing next to the option I've selected, and I want to click on Continue. Now from here you will have the chance to download and transfer information over if you so wish. However, in this example, I just want to click on the Continue button. Here I just will enter in my password to confirm that I do indeed want to delete it. Now I'll get a final confirmation. Do I want to make absolutely sure I want to delete the page? Yes, I do. So I'm now going to click on the delete the page, and we can see that you have up to 30 days to reactivate the page if you so wish. However, we're just going to delete this page and be done with it. And congratulations, you have successfully deleted your Facebook page. You will now be redirected either back to your homepage profile or to the pages section on Facebook. I hope you found this video useful, everybody. If you did, hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel for more answers to common Facebook and Instagram marketing questions. Have a fantastic day, everybody.